Hey, what's going on, guys? I know we just ended the stream, but I had to come back. There's something that I picked up actually that I found out from another trader's Discord channel, and shout out to him. Shout out to Kai Capital. I actually just peeped this when I was done with my stream. And what is this per se? Well, if you guys remember we had like a massive gap, right? This is where our previous day values were. And remember I was saying I was like, our previous day values are all the way down here, and I don't see us like revisiting or coming back to them. Well, what we had to do, I hadn't actually rolled over my chart properly. So from his Discord channel, this isn't because of my own brilliance. I will link his channel in one of probably in like the pinned comment. But yeah, I actually found this from his Discord channel. So I had to come here if you're using Motivewave, and then go to the data tab, and then untick the use default, and then roll method none. I believe mine was days before day of week before contract month. It was something weird like that. It was one of these. But then I changed that. I hit OK, and then I cleared local data, and then magically price went everywhere, which is kind of annoying that like I only found this out after the stream, because now that we're here, let's look at where our previous day values were actually gonna go, right? I feel like we're gonna have a different type of trading day had we had this. Um, Value area high was gonna go to 636.25. 686.25, update that. I mean, there's nothing we can do about it now. I've already locked my accounts. So that is, you know, a little annoying. 633.75, and then value area low is 610. Yeah, 610 update. And look at that. And I think our overnight values were still going to be the same. Just going to double check that this is accurate. Needed to go up to 1559. Oops. Come on now. Let's see. Is that up to 930 to 1555? Yaddy-da-dee-da. Yeah, I'm just gonna drag this up to 1559. You know, if it will behave and allow me. Here we go. Not 4 o'clock. Not 58. 59. There we go. Just make sure. Man, it says 1558. You know what? We'll go with that. It's not exactly to the minute, but we'll go with that. I'll go with that. And then I can't remember whether I switched off or deleted my overnight volume profile, but I think I kept it. If I'm not mistaken, I must have. 930 volume profile must be this one. Yep. Hopefully you didn't go all the way. You did. Shanabish. $9.29 Ali. Do it up till 9:30. We're not having a lot of success with this right now, are we? And I mean, I'll keep it a buck. I am a little annoyed. I am a little annoyed I didn't find that out earlier. I mean, I haven't even looked at the previous day levels as of yet, but I am a little peeved that we didn't find that out earlier. Would we have had like a different type of thing? Maybe. I think so. I think potentially we could have had a different type of day, maybe. But I'll trust that I put my developing volume profile, that I set it right, that I set my overnight values accurately and correctly. I guess I'm like now second guessing that as well because I missed out that I missed yeah. Had I known. Let's see. Let's have a look. Maybe it wouldn't even have changed anything. Maybe it wouldn't even have changed anything. Because the only real trade we really would have taken would have been what? An overnight point of control trade. So did this cap would have been a lot more short bias though. Where's our 1545 over there? Probably a previous day value area high short. Lies. I wouldn't have done that because we're like so close to the VWAP. I wouldn't have done that. Previous day point of control short. Still wouldn't have done that because we were short here. Probably would have tried a long short the VWAP 30 and point of control would have been, point of control would have been a stop. Probably. Something like that. But yeah, I mean, besides that, it doesn't really. Yeah. What about our IB trade? Our IB trade definitely would have shifted. Alright? Because look at that. Look at where the previous day value area low is in comparison. Definitely wouldn't have been trying to short that with this that close. Yeah, I mean, what can you do? Honestly, what can you do? At least we found out, At least we found out quick enough. Yeah. Which is somewhat annoying, but it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. And plus also the accounts are locked, so I can't, even if they weren't locked, I mean, there's nothing really I can do about this. There's no trade I see from here right now. Short from previous day value area low, but like why? Maybe short from here. Maybe. But way outside the window, accounts locked. Nothing more we can do about it. But I just felt like I owed you guys that much. I needed to come back and show you that, before we called it a wrap for the day. But yeah, that's gonna be a wrap for the day. We'll be back tomorrow at 9:15 EST. All right. Peace.